Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert any image to a vector format instantly without even signing in on it anywhere or without downloading any third-party application or software. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to search for Vectorizer dot AI. You can see the spelling appears right over there. Just simply hit open this website. Now it will ask you to drag and drop your image or simply open your image. Just simply open the image you want to vectorize. For example, if I open this image, now it will ask me to pre-crop the image. Once I'm done with the settings, I just hit OK, and the process of uploading and processing will start, and my image will now convert it to a vector format very instantly and very easily. Then I can use it anywhere I want. Now you can see the vectorized image are appeared right in front of me. I can easily use it anywhere I want, and you can see each vector by just zooming in into the frame. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.